I don't want to get, I wish I could get closer. I'm scared. Look at them all. They're crazy looking hornets too. Oh yeah, what do I got? Oh my God. I can't tell, but it's just rip and drag. What is up, guys? Today we got a little creek mission. I got my mystery tackle box I'm going to use on a lot of the stuff that's in here. This box actually came with the baby bull shad. I have been wanting to try this thing. Haven't bought it, was going to buy it, but now I have it, so. Sorry about all the cars. There's cars just flying by here, so it's going to be super loud. But yeah, super excited to try this thing. I'm going to try it down here, see if it does any good. There's smallmouth, largemouth, even spotted bass down here, so hopefully we can find a few fish. Haven't fished this creek, like haven't actually fished this creek, and I don't even know, 15 years maybe. Like, it's been forever. Yeah, there's more cars coming. I'm just gonna get to it. Stay tuned. I forgot how I have no tread on these shoes. I should not have wore these. That doesn't look safe.
Somebody cut the grass down here.
It is shallow though. Super shallow. See any fish down there? Look how shallow it is. I was worried we're gonna have to like climb down those rocks. I hope there's enough holes where we can still catch fish. This is shallow right now. It's like all silted in. Oh God, that's slick. Looks like it's deeper right here. There might be fish in here. I think there's gonna be fish right here. Bunch of fish in there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. They're all drum though. The catfish in here too. Catfish in here, drum, suckers. None of them want to eat anything. I don't see any bass though. Never in my life have I fished a creek that was this silty. Definitely a smallmouth though, I just saw. It's hiding under the damn rock. Everything's going underneath there. Here comes another little baby bass and another one. They're looking at it. Okay, well that's like 4 smallmouth I've seen now. There ought to be like fishing all this stuff. Oh yeah, this looks good. Definitely gonna be fishing here. This looks really good actually. I see something down there. There he is. Oh, I had him. I had something. There's something in there. I just had one, I didn't even know. There he is. It's a smallie. I was getting worried. He's a little guy, but it's a smallmouth. Starting to get worried. Creek mission, I can call it kind of a success now. I've seen a bunch of fish, finally caught one. Just a little dude. But hey, I'll take it. Like I said, just a little dude, but at least I caught something. I was starting to get worried. That first like mile of this little creek is completely silted in. I wonder if there's an easier way just to get to this hole next time I come down here. All right, that one was on the little Ned rig. Ganked it all up too. Get another one. There's one decent one in here. I saw a pretty good one. Probably gonna get muddy. Oh, there's a dead something right here. Something dead right there that I gotta like walk right past. Oh God, there's gotta be fish over here. Yeah, there's a tree down there. What the hell was that? There he is. Little guy. Tiny little dude. And he stole my bait. No. Just a little guy. It's cool though. He's right by that tree. Big old, oh, what's that? There's some bigger stuff swimming down there. Some drum maybe. That's cool though. Here, buddy. Hear that hawk?
What?
Hear that hawk?
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say.
He's up in that tree somewhere. An old car.
No.
Upside down. Let's look at his weights right there. Like, it's a good weight.
Oh, my.
I wonder how that got there. Somebody died under it? Like, what's...
Blood.
My gosh, it's crazy. You irritated?
Yes.
Why?
I have the wrong shoes on for this.
Why?
Because you don't prepare me for anything.
Oh yeah, what do I got? It's gotta be a drum. It's smashed a dang jig. It's a big ugly drum. I can't believe it hit that jig like that. No, it's a big giant ugly drum. I can't believe it hit the jig like that. That's so stupid. It hit it like a freaking 10-pound largemouth. It freaking wrecked the jig. Like that's so ridiculous. So ridiculous. Oh my gosh, why couldn't that have been a smallmouth that size?
Hooked him on the side?
No, he smashed it. Freaking 7-8 pound drum. West Virginia redfish. So stupid. Look at big ugly. He's a big one too. Oh my god, I hate these things.
Just let me get a picture.
If you want a picture with them, I don't care. I hate these things.
I'm gonna lose him.
I hate them.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's big ugly. It's West Virginia redfish there, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I just seen a good bass too. I just freaking choked that jig. It's stupid. I don't want the Ned rig. Ew. These things are nasty. Good little fight though. Ew. What's so funny is they just look like ugly redfish. Shove them out there, it'll be alright. Turn on a side. There you go. Ugly release for an ugly fish. There he goes. I cannot believe how hard he hit that jig. That was stupid. I thought for sure it was a bass. Yeah, so that's what that nasty big ugly drum just hit. Just a little football jig, and then actually these are little trailers I got in my mystery tackle box, I think by Excite Baits. Not bad little trailers, perfect for a little creek like this. Man, I wish I would have been a big old bass. Be careful. Look at the size of that hornet's nest. Oh my gosh. I don't want to get too close.
There's a bunch of hornets around.
Yeah, they're huge hornets too. Like, they got white on them. Man, look at that thing. I wish I could get closer. I'm scared. Look at them all. They're crazy looking hornets too. Oh, coming at me. All right, I'm getting out of here. I don't know how I didn't see that on the way up. Look at that. Those are those crazy hornets like they have like the white on them. Can you imagine if like we accidentally bumped that? Well guys, not the most successful little creek mission ever, but I did manage to find some fish. Apologize for the noise, there's people mowing and stuff right now. But yeah, I probably should have fished another creek because that one was just like super silted in. For like the first like mile of it was like super silted in. Pretty hard to navigate, and it was really shallow. There weren't that many good holes, but the holes that I did find actually had some fish in it. You know, the holes were so small that it was really easy to spook them, and it was just all really tough fishing. I did manage to catch a couple fish. Saw some pretty decent smallmouth. Managed to catch a couple little smallmouth. That drum took me by surprise. I call them West Virginia redfish around here because, you know, I don't know, just to be stupid really. I think a couple guys up here call them that. But yeah, it was fun. For a second I thought it might have been a big bass, but yeah, got catfished by a big old smelly drum. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm probably going to be doing some more little creek adventures like this. I got a new kayak coming here soon that I'm going to be floating down some creeks. Really looking forward to that. One more month before it starts getting a little too cold to probably do that kind of stuff, but at least for the next couple weeks I'll be able to do some more creek missions. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more little creek fishing like this, just comment below, let me know. Figure it's a nice little change up from what I've been doing. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.